Court call State of Texas versus Cody J. Cardenas. This is cause number 2024 CC 737360. We are here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We are also live streaming the proceedings on YouTube so that it is open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the Bexar County Jail Court, and specifically for County Court at Law number 5. And if I could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the state of Texas, please.
Sandra Mitchell for the state.
Raymond Bell for the defense.
Sir, are you the same Cody J. Cardenas, charged by information with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called share screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one I'm showing you is the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. And I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand that normally pleas would be conducted live in an open court, but that you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
Secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all the electronic signatures in the packet before me today, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. I'm scrolling down to another document, sir. It's called the court's admonishments. It's 2 pages. And are you familiar with this document?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
On page 2, I'm using my cursor to circle around electronic signatures. It's yours.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to turn off share screen. By signing the court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range for the offense, which is anywhere up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, sir.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the court's admonishments and I make them a part of the record. State, can you recite for us the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs 32 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Mr. Vale, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
And before I ask the defendant, I need to just inquire as to the discovery on this case. Was the discovery received by the defense?
We received all the discovery on this case, Judge.
Thank you. And then for the defendant, sir, is that your understanding of your plea bargain?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I don't have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Counsel any such rulings in this case?
There are none.
If I do not follow the plea bargain, then I'll allow you to withdraw the plea. And we'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I couldn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
If not, then a plea of guilty, no contest, the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe that he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
I do, Your Honor.
Sir, to the offense that's listed on your information, how do you plead?
No
Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea?
Yes, sir.
Other than the plea bargain, did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No, sir.
Anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
No, sir.
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
Yes, sir.
Find that your plea is freely and voluntarily made, that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Be no legal reason. According to the agreement of the state, sir, I sentence you to 32 days in the Bexar County Jail. Will be a $0 fine plus court costs, credit for time served, time and money will run concurrent, and this is judgment satisfied. Sir, this is a plea bargain case. I filed the plea bargain. You do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record. We'll provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. For the attorneys, is there anything else from either side?
Nothing further from the state.
Nothing further from the defense.
The matter is concluded. Best wishes to you, sir, and I'm turning off YouTube Live.